Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to today's sessions about Git. So we use Git and GitHub to keep track of all the changes of our code when we work, especially in a agency environment to collaborate. So getting familiar with Git will make it way easier for us to join a company and immediately understand the company's workflow as well. And almost every single day, we will be using it to work in a professional environment. So let's uh, play a bit with Git and revise our, Git knowledge, boost our Git knowledge. So today we are gonna do exactly that. So we can see this is a visual representation of Git that we use every day. And we can see that we will write a code or enter our command at the left, and the visual representation of our code will be at the right side. So let's get started. So currently the visualization shows us that this is our first commit and the branch is master and our head is pointing to the master branch. So let's get started. So git commit, and I'm gonna leave a message. Let's call it second commit, and then quotation N and press enter. So after the first commit, now we are on the second commit and still on the master branch. So let's do one more commit, and we are gonna call it the third commit. Let me get it a bit smaller. Third. So let's press enter. So the first commit, the second commit, and we are now on our third commit in the master branch, and our head is pointing to the master branch as well. So now what we can do, we can use the git log command to see the log of the commits that we have made so far. So let's write git log. So we can see that in our log, we have 3 commits, the first, second, and third commit. So now let's make a branch git. So to make a branch, we have to use the command git branch. So the git branch command is showing us that we are on the master branch. So let's make a second branch. And to do that, we have to write git branch and then the branch name, my feature. So now we can see in our visual representation, with the master branch, we have now another branch called my feature branch. And our head is pointing to the master branch. Okay, so if we again run the command git branch, we will be able to see now we have 2 branches, the master and my feature. And the star sign is at the left side of the master branch. That means our head is pointing to the master branch. So if we all our code will be saved under the master branch. So now if we want to switch to the newly created my feature branch, all we have to do is to check out to that branch. So let's do that. Git check out my feature. I'm writing the name of the branch that I want to check out into, which is my feature. So as soon as I hit the command git check out my feature, we can see at the right side of our window that now our head is pointing to the branch my feature. So now we are in the my feature branch. So whatever changes we will be making now, all will be under the newly created my feature branch, and we are currently on that branch. We checked out into that my newly created my feature branch. So let's do a commit. let's call it, it will be the fourth commit. Fourth commit. So now we can see at the right, our fourth commit is on our my feature branch, and the master branch has only the first three commits. So let's do one more commit. This is the fifth commit, which is also under the my feature branch. And if we check the log again, which is git log, we will see we have total 5 commits. The first 3 are under the master branch, and then we created another new branch, which is my feature branch. Then we checked out into that my feature branch, and then the last 2 commits, which are the fourth and fifth commit, we did in the feature branch. So the master branch has only the first 3 commits, and the fourth and fifth ones are on the my feature branch. So now let's check out into the master branch one more time. So git check out master. So as we can see at the right, the head is now pointing to the master branch, and it was pointing towards my feature branch earlier. Now, as we checked out into the master branch, the head is now pointing to the master branch. So now if we check the log again, we will see only the first 3 commits, because the master branch only has the first 3 changes we made under it. But my feature branch showed all 5, because when we created the my feature branch, it actually uh, already had all the code changes into the master branch, and then additionally it had its own commits. So now we are pointing to the master branch, and master branch has only the first 3 commits. Now if we make any other commits, we will see that it will go under the master branch. But let's make another branch from the master branch, and if we create another branch now, it will also consist the first 3 commits. So let's create one more branch, git branch, branch branch, and we don't want to misspell anything because it will not work. Second feature. So we are calling our new branch my second feature branch. So let's create it. So the new branch is created, which is my second feature branch, but our head is still pointing to the master branch. So we created our second branch, but let's do some changes and let's see where those changes actually go. So git commit commit. I'm gonna leave a message like previously we did. So we have like 5 commits so far. So this will be the 6th commit. 6th commit, and let's press enter. So now we can see our master branch has this 6th commit in it. So the first, second, third, and the fourth and fifth is under my feature, and first, second, third, and the 6th commit, these 4 commits are under the master branch. If we check the log, we will be able to see, but let's do one more commit first, and then we will check the log. So this will be the 7th, SEVENTH, 7th commit. So again, the master branch has new commit, which is the 7th commit. So the master branch actually consists first 3 and the 6th and the 7th. So these 5 commits. And the my feature branch contains the first 3 and the 4th and 5th commit. And my second feature branch, it is created, but it only contains the first 3 commits, because we created it under the master branch while we were on the master branch in the 3rd commit. So let's check the log, git log. Now we can see We are on the master branch because our head is pointing to the master branch, and we have this 5 commits only, the first 3 and the 6th and the 7th commit. So now we can check out let's check out into another branch. Let's check out into the my feature branch first. So now our head is pointing to the my feature branch. And while we are on the my feature branch, let's create another branch from this. So what we have to write, git branch, git branch bug fix. So from the my feature branch, we created another branch, which is the bug fix branch, and it will contain all the commits that were in the my feature branch. So now if we check how many branches we have, so git branch. So we have total 4 branches now, and our head is pointing to the my feature branch. That means we are on the my feature branch right now. So let's do some commits now. Git commit the message m and then double quotation. So this will be we did the 7th commit in the master branch, and then we check out the my feature branch, and then we created another branch which is bug fix branch. Now we are committing, so this will be the 8th commit. So yeah, so my feature branch has the 8th commit in it. So let's do one more commit. It will also be under the my feature branch. It will be the 9th commit, ni 9th commit. So let's do it. Okay, so the my feature branch has the 9th commit as well. So now we will check the log again, git log. So we can see the my feature branch had the first 5 commits, which are the first 3 from the master, and then 4th and 5th commit. And then we also have the 8th and 9th commit, these 2 commits, just as we just did. So let's check out to the bug fix branch now. Git checkout. Mm, uh, let's check out bug fix bug fix. Okay, so now our head is pointing to the bug fix branch. So now we will commit one more commit, and this will be the 10th commit. 10th. This will be the 10th commit. It will be under the bug fix branch. So now let's check git log. So before we hit enter, can you please say what are the commits that the bug fix branch will have? So from the right side, we can see the bug fix branch will have the first 5 commits, which are the first, second, third, and fourth, and fifth. And then we actually did the 8th and 9th commit, but those 2 were after creating the bug fix branch and without checking out into it. So we were still in the my feature branch. So the bug fix branch will not have the 8th and 9th commits. And then we checked out into the bug fix branch, and then we did the 10th commit. So the bug fix branch will have all the first 5 commits, and it will have its own commit, which is the 10th commit. So let's hit enter, and we can see first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, and the 10th commit. Okay, so git log is done, and now let's check out into the my feature branch. Git check out my feature. So now I checked out into the my feature branch. Let's check the log quickly here. So it will have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and eighth and ninth. The 10th commit will not be here because it was under the bug fix branch. So yeah, so let's check out. We already checked out into the my feature branch, and now we're gonna merge the bug fix branch with the my feature branch. And once these two were merged, the 10th commit will be available in the my feature branch. So let's see, git merge bug fix. So the bug fix branch is merged. Okay, so let's check out into the my feature branch. Well, we are already in the my. Let's check the git log first. So we have first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and the fifth and the 10th commit, and then we have the 8th, ninth. So the 10th commit is coming after the 5th commit. So let's do one more commit here. So we did the 11th commit, and let's check the git log again. 11th commit. So it is done. Now let's check out into the master branch. Master. So now we are checked out into the master branch, and the bug fix branch is already merged with the my feature branch. Let's check the log, git log. Okay, so in the master branch, we can see it has only the first three and the sixth and seventh commits. There's 5 commits. So now we are gonna merge the my feature branch with the master branch. After check out into the master branch, now we will merge the my feature branch with the master branch. So git merge my feature. So the my feature branch is now merged with the master branch. So now let's check the git log. Now we can see everything is merged together. And my second feature branch, we actually did not use that branch. We just created that branch. So I think we had a decent understanding of, you know, code changes and then creating branches and then checking out into those branches and merging branches together so far. So let's end it here and see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum.